Imagine an animal that can look straight up through its own skull. Pause to seconds. Descending 800 meters into the twilight zone, we find a creature that defies all logic of anatomy. Meet the barrel-eye fish. It is a small, dark predator, but its head is a masterpiece of alien engineering. The entire top of its skull is covered by a completely transparent, fluid-filled dome. It is a living, biological cockpit made of clear tissue. When you first look at its face, you are being deceived. Those two dark spots above its mouth, those are not its eyes. They are olfactory organs, effectively its nostrils, used to sniff out chemicals in the water. To find its real eyes, you have to look inside its brain cavity. Inside the transparent shield are two massive, glowing, neon green, tubular spheres. These are its true eyes, and they are permanently locked, staring straight up through the roof of its own head. Why would evolution build such a bizarre machine? In the twilight zone, the only sunlight is a faint, distant glow from above. Many deep-sea prey animals use bioluminescence on their bellies to blend in with this light, becoming invisible. The barrel-eye's massive green lenses act as highly specialized biological sunglasses. They filter out the sunlight, allowing the fish to perfectly spot the dark silhouettes of prey swimming directly above it. It hovers in the shadows, watching the ceiling of the world. But it doesn't just hunt for free-swimming prey. It is an opportunistic thief. Remember the giant, dilly siphonophores with their curtains of stinging tentacles? The barrel-eye fish actively seeks them out. It hovers near these lethal nets, waiting for the siphonophore to catch a crustacean. Then, it strikes. It dives straight into the stinging tentacles to steal the meal. The transparent dome on its head is not just a window. It is an impenetrable riot shield, protecting its delicate green eyes from the venomous stingers. For decades, scientists thought these tubular eyes were fixed in place. They wondered how the fish could eat what was right in front of its mouth. It was always looking up. Recently, we captured the horrifying truth on camera. When the fish spots a target and moves into strike, the massive green tubes mechanically rotate forward inside the fluid-filled dome. It shifts its gaze from the ceiling to the target in front of it, tracking the prey perfectly as it opens its tiny mouth. A fish with a glass cockpit that looks through its own brain. The Twilight Zone is a laboratory for the impossible, to discover more alien-like organisms hiding at the bottom of our world. Click the link to watch my epic to our documentary, and don't forget to subscribe.